Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be explaining how you can get your US visa. You have to fill DS-160 form and then you have to book your appointment. So I will be explaining everything in detail step by step, and in between the video I will explain some of the pointers through which you can get your US visa without any complication. So let's start the process. Just type US visitor visa, click enter, and then just click on the very first link which says visitor visa. Then coming down you will see here the two categories, B1 category and B2 category. Generally people apply for the B2 category, which is the tourism, and today also we will apply for this one. But the stamping which you will get, that will be of B1 and B2 both. So don't hyper if your passport says B1 B2. Click on form DS-160. And now we will start filling this form. Select the location where you will be applying this visa. So wherever you are, even if you are in India, then you will click New Delhi, India, or Mumbai, India. And if you are in Canada, then go with your Canadian location. Suppose we are in Toronto, so I will just go with my Toronto location. So I have selected my Canada Toronto location. And now this forms loads according to my location. So we have to type this one, CK3V. Now just click on start your application. You can read all the information and click on I agree. Then it asks me about what is the given name of your mother, or you can select any of your question. So what is the given name of your father's father? I will just type Singh. And be careful, just to save this application ID, copy this one and save it anywhere. Then click on continue. You will see on the top right corner that this is your application ID. Now we have to fill all this information in the form. The first is it's asking me about my surname. Suppose it's Kaur. And then it asks about the given name. It's Praneeth. And then it says full name in native alphabets. You can type it by through the Google or Google Translation, but in my case I will just say does not apply. Have you ever used other names? A maiden religious? No, I don't. If you have used it, then click yes. Do you have a telecode that represents your name? No. Then it asks me about my gender. I will click female. Then it asks about the marital status. I will click single. Going down, it asks me about date and place of birth. So I'll just go with, it asks about the city. So Chandigarh, and then state and province, Punjab. Country and religion. So I'm Indian. I will just click India here. And always click on save option, which you see here, before going to the next page, so that the application which you have filled, it could be saved. So whenever you are back or filling your application after 2 days, then you have option to retrieve your application. Save it. And click on continue application. So all my information which I have filled is saved now. Next. Next, it asks me about the personal information again. So country or region of origin. I'm an Indian, so I will click India. Do you hold or have you held any nationality other than one indicated above? No. In my case, it's no. If in your case you are having nationality of two countries, then please click yes and fill your information in the bottom here. Now the next question it says that are you permanent resident of a country or the region? If you're permanent resident of suppose Canada, then click yes. If you are on a study permit or work permit, then just click no. Then it asks about the national identification number. If you have any national identification number, then just fill it out. Otherwise, just click does not apply. In my case, it does not apply. I don't have any such number. Neither my government give that to me. And the next is a US social security number. Does not apply. US taxpayer ID number does not apply. Then I'll save this information. And again, I'll click on continue application. Next. Now, the next question it asks about the purpose of the trip to US. So my purpose is I just want to go there for the tourism. It's a second one. B, temporary business or pleasure visitor. So just be very careful when you're selecting this option. Then it asks about a specific thing. I'll click first one, business or tourism, B1 and B2. Then it says, have you made a specific travel plans? If you have any specific date, then click yes and fill the details. But in my case, I don't have any specific plan, so I'll just click no. Then it asks about the intended date of arrival. Just fill any date in the future which you think that you will get the interview around that date. So I'll just fill on November and 2026. Then it asks about the intended length of stay in US. So just for the few days I want to be there, suppose 7 days. Then it asks for where you will stay in US. So here you can fill any information about any hotel where you're staying. If you have any relative, then fill their information, or any friend, then you can ask them for the help. But in my case, I don't have any relative or friend in US, so I'll just fill the hotel address. Person, it's me only, self. I'm paying for my trip. So just click on the next. Then it says travel companions information. If you're traveling with someone, then they need your information. But in my case, I'm traveling alone. So I'll just click no. Click on next. Have you ever been in the US? No. Have you ever been issued a US visa? No. Have you ever been refused a US visa or refused admission to the United States? No. So just fill this form according to your conditions. If you ever get any refusal in past, then click yes. And if you have ever been issued a US visa, then also click yes. In my case, everything is no. The next question it's asking me about my address and phone information. So they're asking me about my address. So I'll just select Canada here. Is your mailing address the same as your home address? Yes. Then it says the primary phone number. If you have any secondary phone number, then just fill it. I'll say does not apply. Then it asks that have you used any other phone numbers in the last 5 years? If you have used it, click yes. Otherwise, no. Then it asks about the email address. Next question is, have you used any other email address in the last 5 years? No. Do you have a social media presence? Yes, I do have. I have my Instagram here. And then it asks me about the social media identifier, how they can identify me if they want to. So then they say, do you wish to provide information about your presence on any other websites or application you have used within the last 5 years? If you want to provide them any information, then just click yes. But in my case, I don't want to provide anything. I'll just click no, then click on next. Just keep on saving your information on site as well. Then it says the passport and travel document type. I'm having the regular passport or travel document number. Just fill your number. Then it says passport book number. This does not apply in my case. Country or authority that issued your passport. I'm from India, so India. Where was the passport or travel document issued? Mine was issued in New Delhi. So this whole information you will find on your passport, first and last page, the bio pages. The state, so the country is India. On which date it was issued? 1st of Feb 2020. 1st of Feb 2030. And next it says, have you ever lost a passport or had one stolen? No. Click next. Then it asks about the US point of contact information. If you know someone there, if you have any relative there, as I explained earlier, then just fill their details. In my case, I have filled the hotel address because I do not know anyone in USA. So I will just click does not know, do not know, and then the organization name. Here is hotel name again, ABC Hotel. So you can fill information about any hotel. Just search the hotel name on the Google about any hotel, suppose in New York, and then just fill their name here. You don't have to contact any hotel or someone. For being very safe, you can make a reservation. That's free of cost with any hotel in future. Relationship to you. I'll select other. Then it asks me again about the address and the phone number of the point of contact. So again, I have to fill the information about that hotel. So I'll just fill their information. I'll fill it according to your case. And the phone number, every information about the hotel, you can get it on the website, the hotel website, gmail.com. Click next. So the next form is about family information. The first question is the father's full name and date of birth. 1976. Is your father in the USA? No. Then they ask about my mother, surname. Is your mother in the US? No. Do you have any immediate relatives, not including parents, in the United States? No. If you have any relatives and you have filled their information and point of contact in the form which we filled earlier, then you can just click yes and fill their information here as well. Else just click no. And the next question also, I'll click no. Click on next. And the next question is about your occupation. So if you're filling this form and you're a student, then just go on the bottom of the list and select a student. And fill your whole information here. Your school name, on which address it is located, everything about your school, when you started, and all these details. In my case, I am a worker. I'm working. So I'm working in computer science. I'll just click computer science here. Then it asked me about the present employer. Name of my employer is Microsoft. The country is Canada. So when I started this work, I started working on 9th of October And now I have filled all my duties here. Then click on next. And then the next question is, because they're saying that provide your employment information for the last 5 years that you were employed in the last 5 years. So as if I started my this job in 2018 and now it's 2025. So I'll just click here no. If you're suppose you got your job in 2024 and you're filling this form in 2025, then please give all your information from 2020 to 2025, all your employer details or all your education details. If you're not working somewhere or you was not doing any study, then just go with the unemployment, but don't leave any gap. Have you attended any educational institutions at a secondary level or above? Yes. Then it asked me about my education. So my institution name was again ABC. In my case, I have just done one secondary course, so I have filled the whole information here. Now click on next. Now it asks me about, do you belong to a clan or a tribe? No. Now provide the list of languages you speak. And the first is I speak English. Add another. I speak Punjabi. Add another. I speak Hindi as well. So, have you traveled to any countries or regions within the last 5 years? If you have a good travel history, then just click on yes and fill all your information that where you have traveled or to which country you have traveled. So I have visited Dubai and I will fill here United Arab Emirates. Then, have you belonged to or contributed to or worked for any professional or social charitable organizations? No. If you have done any volunteer work in the past and you want to include it in your application, then just click yes. Have you ever served in the military? No. If you have served, then just click yes. So the next question is, have you ever served in or been a member of or been involved with a paramilitary unit, rebel group, any guerrilla group or insurgent organizations? No. These are all the security and background questions. So again, the same. Do you have a communicable disease or public health significance? No, I don't have any. Do you have a mental or physical disorder that poses or is likely to pose a threat to the safety or welfare? No. Are you or have you ever been a drug abuser or addict? No. Then these all questions are your safety, health, and background questions. So read all of them and just mark according to your scenario. I have never been arrested. Have you ever violated any law, etc.? No. Are you coming to the United States engaged in prostitution? No. Have you ever been or involved in or seek any money laundering? No. Any human trafficking? No. Knowingly aided, abetted, assisted, or no. So anything about you have done any human trafficking offense or something? No. Are you the spouse, son, or daughter of an individual who has committed or conspired to commit a human trafficking offense in the United States? No. Click on next. Then it says, do you seek to engage in or sabotage export control violations? No. Any illegal activity, basically. Do you seek to engage in terrorist activities? No. Any financial assistance? No. Are you a member or representative of terrorist organizations? No. Are you the spouse or son, daughter of an individual who has engaged in terrorist activity? No. Have you ever ordered, incited, committed, assisted, or otherwise participated in a genocide? No. Then again, no. In my case, everything is no. So just read all of the questions, then just click next. Have you ever sought to obtain or assisted others to obtain a visa, entry United States? No. Have you ever been removed or deported from any country? No. Then click next. Then again, some more questions. Have you ever withheld custody of a US citizen child? No. Have you ever voted in United States? No. Have you ever renounced United States citizenship? No. Then click next. Now just click here and upload your photo. You can read all these instructions that how you can take your photo. You can go to any professional as well so that they could click your photo. Once they click it, keep the physical copy in your hand of that picture, the hard copy, and the digital one, just upload it here. So I've just downloaded a picture from Google and I've uploaded it. But you have to upload your own picture here. Click on save. Now my whole application will be saved. Continue application. Click on next, review. And this is my whole DS-160 form now. It is filled. You can just review your application. Click on next. In filing and filling out this application. In my case, it's no. I certify under penalty of and please enter your passport. So just give your passport number here. And then it asks about enter the code as shown. So HMDZ. Then just click on sign and submit application. Now this is called DS-160 form. You can email it to yourself or you can print it out. So click on email confirmation. Now my email is here and this form will be mailed to my own email. Oh, it says do you want to send your confirmation to an additional email address? No. So now I will explain that how you can book your appointment. I'll put this link in the bio. You can find this link in the bio. I'll paste it there. Because from this link you can just book your US visa appointment for the interview. And now click on sign in. If you have already created your sign in, then just put your email and password and click on sign in. In my case, I have to create an account. I'll just click on create account. Then it says, please select the condition that best applies to you. So just click on I am a non-Canadian citizen residing in Canada. And then click on continue. Now it asks about the given name, surname. So fill this information correctly according to your passport. I have read and understood the conditions. So once you have created your account, then it will ask you to confirm your email address. So just go to your email address and confirm it. So just to refresh the page once you have confirmed your email address from your email ID, and then it will ask about all the details, and all the details should match the DS-160 visa application. So the details should be exact. Now it's asking about the given name, surname, country, passport, everything should be same as the DS-160 form. So I'll fill all this information here now. Click on create applicant. Now after clicking on create applicant, it shows you this page. Does this visa type match your travel and everything? I'll just click yes. So do you want to add another applicant? In some cases, like couples want the interview to be together. So they just click yes and add the another applicant. But in my case, it's just me. So I'll click no. So now it's asking about the courier. You have to give all your information here on which address you're living and which courier is closer to your home address. So it could be easy for you to pick your document up from that particular location. And then you have to fill your payment details and then schedule your interview. And once you're done with scheduling your interview, you will get the confirmation form in hand. In some cases, so I'm giving you a trick here. In most of the cases right now, you do not get any interview date nearby. Suppose you're getting any interview in 2027, 2028, then in that cases, just keep on looking for the interviews every day between 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. in the midnight. For sure you will get the interview slot because they keep on releasing new slots. So just keep on checking the interview slot every day to get the interview sooner. So that's it. That's all about the US application, how you can fill the form and book your interview. If you like the content, please do subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, just leave your question in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.